There are so many ways to renovate, upgrade, and personalize your home. The big question is, do it yourself or hire a pro? The question of do it yourself applies to general maintenance too. Consider this. Is the project something you enjoy doing? Are you looking forward to it? Refinishing furniture or painting an accent wall can make a big difference in your space and provide a sense of accomplishment. Do you know how to do the project, and will you save significant money? Carefully analyze these two considerations before jumping in. Think about when you're finished. Will the project add value or satisfaction to your home? Have you ever been in a home and thought, that's a do-it-yourself project? I wonder if it's up to code. And finally, do you want a personal touch to the project? For example, painting a mural, creating a nursery, or designing your landscape or garden. Answering no to one or more of these questions means you should consider hiring a pro. Is the project beyond your ability? Think electricity, plumbing, asbestos, and roof repairs. These repairs can be dangerous. Will it cost more to repair mistakes should your project go sideways? And do you have the time to do the project or to do it well? Upgrading and renovating your home can be very personal. Think about these considerations and outsource those projects that require professional attention. Let's talk about your upgrades and projects. Call or text me today.